All right, John, as winter approaches, a local nonprofit is ramping up efforts to help out families who are experiencing a housing crisis.
Erie News Now, Jameson Hicksonbaugh is joining us live tonight from Community Shelter Services in Erie with more on those efforts. Jameson, good evening.
Good evening. The organization's been helping out families experiencing homelessness for the past 50 years, but for the first time ever, they're able to keep families together. And it's all thanks to these tiny homes. Now I'm going to take a step outside the shot so you can take a live look at them for yourself. Now the 12 by 16-foot homes serve as temporary housing for homeless families. The shelter just added 3 additional units, bringing the total up to 4, and it's now being called the Kiwanis Family Village. And as it stands right now, when families seek assistance from Community Shelter Services, men have to stay on one side of the shelter away from women and children. The tiny homes will allow families to stay together. Now, the nonprofit provides emergency shelter for up to 65 people and is constantly at maximum capacity. Now, the tiny homes will allow the shelter to provide temporary housing for an extra 20 people. And according to Executive Director Diane Lizette, the need for additional housing is tremendous.
The need is great. We are full every night. Our phone is ringing constantly, hoping for a bed. The important thing here today is keeping families together. We have mom, dad, and a teenage son that will be joining us in one of the homes, and several other families in the others.
And Community Shelter Services plans to add a 5th home the week of Thanksgiving. There's actually going to be a ribbon cutting celebration and ceremony tomorrow right here in celebration of these 3 new homes, and the community is invited to attend. That gets underway at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Jameson Hicksonbaugh, Erie News Now.